Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And after you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and on the device page, you should see your Balance 2 watch. Under it, you will see this category called watch faces. Tap on it to open the watch face store, and here you have the different categories of watch faces. You can browse through them by simply tapping on Find More, and you can look for something you like. So search for the watch face. Once you find something you enjoy, you can tap on the watch face you like. And here we have a preview, also the info, and also recommendations. So once you decide to install the watch face or download the watch face, tap on sync, and it will start downloading. And after it's done syncing, it should be applied on your watch. Okay, and here we have it. As you can see, it was applied. It will also appear, let's go back to the main page of store. It will appear also on the list of mine watch faces. Basically, if you tap on mine, you have the list of watch faces installed on your devices. And here we have it. The watch face will appear right here. You can also remove the watch faces if you tap on delete right here. Select the watch face you want to remove, then tap on delete, tap on OK, it will be removed from your watch. And I believe that's about all. So that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.